What's the meaning of chipmunk? Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk. A chipmunk is a small, striped rodent that belongs to the squirrel family. They are commonly found in North America and have distinctive cheek pouches used to store food. Chipmunks are known for their energetic behavior and quick movements, often climbing trees and scurrying across the ground in search of food. Their diet typically consists of nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. Due to their cute appearance and playful nature, chipmunks are also popular as pets and have been featured in various forms of media such as cartoons and movies.